On Chikaya Hill, overlooking the vibrant city of Kampala, the Bahai Temple stands as a testament to the diverse tapestry of Ugandan culture and faith. So buckle up as we explore its history, architecture, and significance in Uganda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos, and if at all you've not been able to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. And those of you who have been able to like the videos, thank you very much. And at the moment we are at around 440 subscribers, so please keep subscribing to the videos and to the channel, and then like the videos. Please comment and let me know what you're interested in seeing, and I could take some time off and go and record a few videos on such things that you're interested in. Good afternoon. Come to take a go around. I just go around. Yes, for a few minutes. I just want to know if you have any guidelines or what.
You have me with your ID.
Yes?
ID.
I didn't carry it physically, but I don't.
You don't have it on a soft copy?
I have it on a soft copy. Okay. So do you have like a person who takes around?
Yeah, you have to guide at the building there.
Yeah.
When you reach up there, you're going to meet them. Yeah.
So after do I get something or what?
We don't do that.
As if I want, I can. But let's say if I want, I can buy them something.
It's your hand, but
Yeah, what I'm saying. Thank you. I feel that we have done a good job. 0703 88
next time, now we have the packet now there. I keep it.
you know, it's my first time.
That is what I've been speaking a bit, guy. Because we are in the sun. You've been when I tell you the back there, you walk up.
I didn't know because I did some research, you see, but I was seeing that they know where purple.
Yeah, they
from NASA. But I work for that. I'm unique.
Okay.
Yes, around 20.
I can say 20 minutes.
Okay. Oh, yeah, set up.
You will just walk up
Just
here.
walk the road.
You're going to enter the temple.
No, I'm not going to enter.
Just walk up here.
Okay.
The guy comes.
Kale. See you in a bit. The Bahai faith arrived in Uganda in the 1950s, promoting ideas of oneness, understanding, and equality. In 1958, land was purchased on Chikaya Hill, a perfect haven for a temple embodying these principles. The construction began in 1958 and took over 4 years to complete. Interestingly, the land was held in trust by 3 Ugandan Baha'is, symbolizing the faith's emphasis on local ownership and inclusivity. The temple officially opened its doors in 1962, coinciding with the Uganda's independence, further cementing its role as a beacon of unity and progress for the nation. Today, it welcomes people of all faith and backgrounds, fostering interfaith dialogue and understanding.
But I left it, shook by the valley rising up to its peak. With a forward step, it's in my reach. Saw a shooting star fall in front of me. But I left it be, 'cause I don't need luck when I have you. I don't need luck when I have us. I don't need luck when I have you. I don't need luck when I have us. Look at the city on the skyline like trees, and the silhouette of all we need. Found a
Standing 265 feet tall, the Bahai Temple is a 9-sided edifice resembling a lotus flower, a symbol of purity and spiritual growth in the Bahai teachings. The 9 sides represent the oneness of God and the unity of humanity, regardless of race, religion, or background. Every side faces a different direction with a door, inviting people from all corners of the world to enter and seek spiritual solace. The exterior walls are made of prefabricated concrete panels, adorned with delicate geometric patterns inspired by traditional Ugandan bark cloth.
don't need luck when I have you. I don't need luck.
Unfortunately, no recording is allowed inside the temple. But stepping inside the temple is like entering a haven of peace and serenity. The spacious dome interior is bathed in natural light, filtering through the high windows, creating a sense of awe and openness. So this is the Bahai Temple, and
Don't need luck when I have us.
I've come when it's almost time for closing, but the reason why I came at this time is because the sun is a bit warm. It's not so harsh for recording videos. Apart from spiritual experience, the Bahai Temple offers beautiful gardens to explore. Lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and a tranquil walkway that creates a serene environment for reflection and relaxation.
I know, it always turns around.
Just wait, you'll see. Don't give in so easily. You know the sun is coming out. And I never let the wind knock me down. I got a silver lining. I know the sun keeps rising. I see it from the moment I wake up. No matter what goes down, I'm looking up at a silver lining. Lights out, but we know that's when.
If you are ever in Uganda, or you are Ugandan, don't miss the opportunity to visit the extraordinary landmark. Let the Bahai Temple be a reminder that despite our differences, we share a common humanity and a potential for harmonious coexistence.
Stop us now. When you fly like this, you're never gonna come down. I got a silver lining. I know the sun keeps rising. I see it from the moment I wake up. No matter what goes down, I'm looking up at a silver lining. Bright lights, high hopes, hold tight and never let go. Bright lights, high hopes, hold tight and never let go. Bright lights, high hopes, hold tight and never let go.
The temple is open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. but it has particular days when it closes. For example, on a Friday it is always closed, and on a Monday.
I know the sun keeps rising. I see it from the moment I wake up. No matter what goes down, I'm looking up at a silver lining. I know the sun keeps rising. I see it from the moment I wake up. No matter what goes down, I'm looking up at a silver lining. Bright lights, high hopes, hold tight and never let go. Bright lights, high hopes, hold tight and never let go. Bright lights, high hopes, hold tight and never let go. Bright lights, high hopes, hold tight.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, have a nice time. I hope I fit. I'm slightly wider than normal bikes.